What's up guys, you're in my head, yes that's right, and on today's episode of Tech Made Simple, I'm reviewing the FeiyuTech SPG 2 smartphone gimbal. This video is sponsored by FeiyuTech. They sent me this gimbal for a review and I gotta say it's easy to set up and I like it already. I'm gonna put my phone in here and see how easy it actually is to set up. This is the way it came and this is what you're gonna go through when you order one. Alright, I'm just gonna turn it on. Ooh, that was easy. Now, I want to know if it's hard to set it up via the Bluetooth. I guess it's only one way to know. Let me see. Just gotta go in on my settings here and then alright, we got the Bluetooth on already. So I'll open up the FeiyuTech app. Is new and it looks nice. Wow, it pops up so easy just like that. And I'm connected. It's time to take this bad boy for a little spin. So yeah, I'm just gonna start recording, but I'm wondering if I have 4K on. Yep, 4K was on. Alright, now I'm ready to go. I'm gonna take my skateboard and do a couple of runs. I know it's smooth when you skate, but I just want to see and play around with it. Wait, that was kind of bumpy. Let's see how that looked on the gimbal. Alright. Wow, it's super smooth. It's super smooth. So nice. And like, I'm just walking here. And it's quiet too, which is great. So down on the right, you have my head cam. And then on the big screen, we have the actual gimbal footage. So the one thing I noticed as soon as I started to use it was that it's so light. Like, it doesn't weigh a lot, like a couple of 100 grams maybe, if even that. Super sweet. I mean, look at this footage. Oh, and you have the magic knob where I can turn it up and down and control the movement of the angles, different angles. So if I have it low like this and then I slowly angle it up, let me see. Oh, that's such a money shot. It's incredible. Now the big thing is that I want to know is if it got the infinite roll. Let me see. This is the big question right here. Will it work? Oh yeah, baby. This is what I like. How trippy is this? I asked FeiyuTech for this and they deliver it. Boom shakalak. Anyhow, FeiyuTech, if you could roll out an update where it kind of spins like this when I'm holding it like this, that would be so sick. Let me see. I'm gonna play around with this infinite roll a bit. Oh, this is so cool. I'm gonna be able to make the coolest vlogs in the game with my phone and Insta stories. Like, it's crazy. This I love. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Alright, so what I want to know now, we have angle thing at the back and the button. You can double tap the button to get back to regular settings. I want to turn the speed up when I do the infinite roll just to make it move a little bit faster, which I just did. Oh, now it's pulling good. Woo, that's fast and nice. Alright, so let's go for a little stroll here. I'm going down the hill. Wait, there's some more settings on here. I wonder what they are. Let me check. So obviously I can change the white balance, which will make it either colder or warmer. I can also choose to change the exposure, which will make the video look darker or brighter. This is all manual within the app, which is fantastic. But this, the focus, is something that's blowing my mind right now. Like, to be able to do this on a phone, a smartphone, as well as using the gimbal, is just next level. Alright, the big question is, how great are my Insta stories gonna be? Cause you just turn the thing and you can film upright, which is so sweet. Oh, low battery. Let's see. Ah, this is nice. And then I'll use the magic knob to turn it up and down. And I'm just getting more and more excited because this is awesome. Thank you, FeiyuTech. Like, seriously. Woo! Alright, it wasn't too good of me to just throw these things away. I just left them there. I'm lucky nobody stole them. Alright, it's time to pack this bad boy away and give you my thoughts. I shouldn't let go of it when it's on. I gotta turn it off first. It's easy, it's simple, and it's smooth to use. I can easily disassemble it and put it back in the case. Now, would I buy this? I'm not too sure actually because I mostly film on big cameras. This one is for smartphones. However, if you are an action sports athlete or you film a lot with your smartphone or want to get into vlogging or filming or whatever, this is a great option for you. Now, one of the coolest things with this is the infinite roll. Ooh, definitely for one. But also the fact that it feels like a weapon case. It makes me feel really cool and awesome. So, the gimbal is $179. You can order it on Amazon on the link below. FeiyuTech, thank you. Peace out, guys. Until next time.
Yo, what's up, guys? You're listening to Breeze Podcast with myself, Jonathan McCollin.
Are you religious, John?
Yeah, yeah, I am, dog.
Do you go to church on Sundays?